Hi, welcome to my channel of electronics, audio and hi-fi. I restarted and renamed this channel to reflect my small business Kaamos Tech. We design and sell audio circuit boards for DIY audiophiles, so these products will be covered in the videos along with other topics in electronics, audio and hi-fi. I hope you like the content, and if you do, please subscribe and spread the word. If you're interested, I will also give you a brief background of my story in electronics, which started in my teenage years when I got interested in audio electronics and electronics in general, got into vocational school and eventually university, where I have a major in electronic systems design, minors in signal processing and measurement technology. I wanted to design electronic circuit boards and appliances, but after moving to Scotland end of 2014, I ended up working in semiconductors. Since 2015 I've been working as an applications and evaluation engineer in audio codecs. As I still wanted to be the board designer and the passion for hi-fi never died, I've been doing my own audio circuit boards now for 10 to 15 years. And this is also where this small business was born. So all of this is pretty much a passion project I'm slowly trying to grow. So if you're buying my products, watching these videos, clicking, thank you for supporting me.